Hi, it's Tony with the Tony Z team. We're here at 18662 54A Avenue in a subdivision called Hunter Park here in Cloverdale. This amazing property is 2 stories with a full walkout basement, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, sits on an over 16,000 square foot lot, and the house is over 4,300 square feet. Let's go take a look.